Pinch between your thumb and index finger and roll to make a tight cone. Pinch off the size that you want. Place the base down to make a flat surface. Roll nice and tightly between your thumb and index finger. You make your cone shape, pinch off the size that you want, push down to make a flat base that's going to be nice and even. And you soon get quite quick at doing this. You want Moxa that's nice and tight to give an even, slow burn. What you don't want is one-sided Moxa that will burn like the one on the left to the left side, or little bits. You can see the center one, the bit may well fall off and burn your patients. If you don't roll it tight enough like the one on the right, it will burn too quickly and too hot, whereas the one on the left is nicely rolled. To pick it up, thumb and index finger, get the base of the cone but don't pinch or you'll burn your fingers, and then pick it up, drop it into water or onto a flat dish. Thanks for listening. Please pause and read this. This is for acupuncture students only.